Hello folks, welcome to TopekaKnives.com. We're looking at the red spider knife from Wartech. We've got an aluminum handle here with a spider on it. We got a lanyard hole. It has a pocket clip on the back. It is assisted opening. There are flames on the handle. The blade, I'm sorry. The blade is 3.5 inches long, made of 1065 surgical steel. The aluminum handle is 5 inches long. All in all, it's 8.5 inches when open. It's kind of like a dagger blade, or it is a dagger blade. It's a cool looking knife. It is a liner lock. And it opens quickly. Anyway, thank you for watching my video and stopping by my website, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.